History and naturopathy sa isang tawag lang. Maaari na tayong magpakonsulta gamit ang mga numero 0905-956-1162.
Today is the day of our sea trial schedule. Since we no longer have a trip for island hopping, we took shelter here in Baton Bay near Dumaguitport, New Washington, Ackland. The yacht's steering will require several turns to achieve the desired angle, which makes maneuvering less efficient. That's why I often rely more on engine controls instead of using the wheel. You need to be careful and always keep your eyes ahead, because there are fishing nets laid out by fishermen here and there, and their nets do not have sufficient markers. I wonder where our mooring buoy is. Let me take a look with the binoculars. Perhaps it has been taken by passing fishermen. Ah, it is just over there. This engine control is difficult to use. The steering wheel needs to be rotated several times, and this engine control is also hard to operate. What is going on? There is no more engine maintenance available.
Ay nako. Pag malakas hangin, malakas yung agos, hindi pwede yung ganon.
Up next, we will harvest mussels because there are a lot of mussels on the boat hull for a dish. Stay tuned.